All right, we're here at the East Carbon Railroad Station and the coke ovens. There's hundreds of them. I'm going to walk through those in a few minutes, but we're going to see what this used to be. Maybe an old firehouse. Door still slides. Nice and cool in here. So there's 2 rows of these, and it looks like they're back and front. There's at least 100 or so in each row. They're about 8 feet deep and 10 feet wide. Pretty cool. Something WS, I'll have to find out what that says. Huh. A lot of lizards and snakes around here. What a cool place. Let's go around the other side and look. I feel like I need to film a Wild West movie here. A little spaghetti western. Crazy. You know, you see charcoal ovens across Nevada, you might see 6, 4, 10 maybe if you're lucky, but hundreds and hundreds of coke ovens here. Tell you what, if I was a hobo, this would be a great place to hide out. Come in here and you've got a nice little view. I have to camp here one day. Let's go inside. Carbon County Railway. That's a cool sign. Let's get our tickets. Coal mining. Rich coal mining in the area. 800 coke ovens.